front passengers will be greeted by a massive 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen. Interior styling isn't largely different from the gas-powered Blazer, but there are a handful of subtle changes. The dashboard design is sleek and futuristic with turbine-like air vents, and the RS and SS add a flat-bottom steering wheel, ambient lighting, and lots of red accents. The Blazer EV also comes loaded with technology, with standard automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, front pedestrian detection and braking, and optional reverse automated braking and advanced park assist. The RS and SS also get heated and ventilated front seats, while standard heated rear seats on the SS can also be optioned on the RS. Since the Blazer EV is a two-row midsize SUV, we expect second-row legroom to be spacious thanks in large part to the flat floor allowed by the battery packaging. Cargo capacity should be generous as well, and Chevy is touting a hands-free opening tailgate that will open when a key fob is simply near the rear of the vehicle.